Hello everyone. Welcome to another video on the channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to put one photo on top of another on your cell phone. Before starting, subscribe to the channel and leave your like. Let's start the video. The first thing you will do is open your app store. We will look for the Canva app. It is very well known, and it is practically the best photo editor that exists for cell phones. Remembering that Canva is available for Android, iOS, and Windows. I installed an application. Once installed, open the application, and we will come across many functions. But don't worry because you shouldn't do anything too complicated. To start, you must click on the purple central button below the screen where there is a plus. Many options will appear on the screen, but pay attention below. There you can find the photos and videos you have in the gallery. You should look for the main photo that will be in the background, and after that, you take the image that will be superimposed on the background image. We can see that the application has opened the selected image. You can also edit this image, like cropping, repositioning, and several other functions. But if you want it the same way you did the upload, you can now select the other photo that will be superimposed on this image. We can see some options below on the screen. You click on Gallery. Once this is done, you will select the image that will be superimposed on this other image. That is, the image that will be on top. After selecting the image, click on the purple button, where it says Add to Page. We can see that a new image has already appeared that we selected above the other background image. Now, you can do whatever you want, and crop, reposition, rotate in the direction you want, and adjust it to any part of the image. And that's basically it. Then just download the image, and it will be ready. That was today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.